Hello and welcome to E Prime. I'm Crystal. Life is fleeting in Empire Land are the words from showrunner Eileen Shaken as she teases the possibility of another death in the final episode for season 3 of the hit television series Empire. The local fans are anxiously counting down to tonight's finale.
About a global empire.
So who gonna sit on the throne with you?
If you leave me to my own device, I'd never have to compromise.
Both of us made a bunch of sacrifices. You sacrificed 17 years for me. You're the love of my life.
In an interview with The Hollywood Reporter, Eileen said the finale sets up a total reset and it involves all of the characters. Each of them, she said, has a new drive or adversary or challenge. The finale will also introduce the Demi Moore character. When asked about more deaths this season, Eileen says, "You should always be concerned that someone else might die. There's certainly another death dangling because Andre is still planning to kill his father. Whether that happens remains to be seen, but life is fleeting in Empire Land." She added, "And that's all I can say without just totally spoiling the whole finale." Empire's finale countdown is on for 10:30 p.m. tonight, right here on TVJ. Yesterday, after all the Labor Day projects, persons set out to unwind at the annual Labor Day concert. This year, the show went gospel and featured some of our country's biggest performers, including Kevin Downswell, Sanchez, Lieutenant Stitchie, and Joan Fleming. E Prime has for you the sights and sounds.
You never go out your man from your barn. Say thank you, Jesus. Holy Ghost, Holy Ghost.
Night and day, I'm gonna serve King Jesus night and day. Church amen. Night and day, I'm gonna serve King Jesus night and day.
Keep me, feed me when you're hungry. You got.
Oh, I lift up my hands to the Father, 'cause He make me strong. He put the food on my table. Yes, indeed, my heart is song. Oh, Jah, I love you so.
The annual Labor Day concert was put on by the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, and of course was free to the public at Emancipation Park. E Prime is still following developments surrounding the bombing at the Manchester Arena that interrupted the Ariana Grande tour. Reports coming out of the pop star's camp indicate that she has suspended her Dangerous Woman tour in the wake of the terror attack. The Manchester concert was to be the first of 3 concerts in the United Kingdom. Her next concert was set to take place tomorrow, May 25, at the O2 Arena in London. The singer, who is shaken but unharmed, is said to have arrived home in Florida yesterday. Other dates for the pop star included shows in Belgium, Poland, Germany and Switzerland. The attack on Monday to date has left 22 persons dead, 59 injured, including children. And that's it for this evening's edition of E Prime. I'm Crystal. Thank you for watching.